Hello guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to automatically translate web page in the Google Chrome web browser. If you don't even want Chrome to prompt you to translate web page, but you would rather it happen automatically, I'm going to show you how you guys can do that without Chrome. And then you want to select the menu icon on the top right corner of the browser. On the left side, you want to go ahead and select the language button, and then on the right side underneath where it says use Google Translation, go ahead and click inside of there to expand the settings field so Versio automatically translates these languages. You would select the add language button and then the search language field. Just type in whatever language you want to automatically translate, and then click mark next to it and select add. Do this for many languages as you would like to. Then that's all you have to do. And then once you are done, you are just going to close out of here, and it should save the changes automatically. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and